Ever get done washing your car and realize that the paint needs a little love, but you don't have the time to do the proper 3-step process? You know, compounding, polishing, and waxing? Well, now you don't have to with BLACKFIRE's One Step. BLACKFIRE One Step is an all-in-one product that will remove light swirls and paint dullness from your paint while also laying down an intense, high-grade paint sealant onto the surface. A genuine one-step product. BLACKFIRE One Step is perfect for professional detailers looking to enhance their service selection, as well as the DIY enthusiast that wants high-performing product that isn't complicated. BLACKFIRE One Step is here to change the paint perfecting game, and it's already performing. Correcting your paint and making it perfect can be a long and daunting task. Everywhere you look, you see the 3-step system I talked about. Multiple pads, different products, recommended temperatures for use, and so on and so forth. Well, BLACKFIRE One Step is looking to simplify that paint correct process for you. It's engineered to be a swirl remover, a finishing polish, and long-lasting paint sealant in one simple application. BLACKFIRE One Step provides the look you want without all the hassle. In terms of directions for use, well, before you use the product, you want to shake well and make sure you're not using it in direct sunlight. In machine applications, apply a circle of 1 step onto a foam polishing finishing pad. Spread the product over a 2x2 area of paint. Set the speed to 5 and work the product over the area using a moderate pressure and overlapping passes. Using a slower motion will remove paint imperfections. Make sure you use a clean, soft microfiber towel to buff off excess product and produce a high shine. In hand applications, use a clean foam polishing finishing applicator pad to work 1 step into the paint in an overlapping motion. And again, use a clean, soft microfiber towel to buff off excess product and produce a high shine. BLACKFIRE, the pro detailer's choice.